Alright, so I just want to go real quick for IKEA kitchen, a real quick overview because I haven't seen it, and I just want to show because I was looking for it. So my dad, what we did, as you can tell right here, we bought a lag bolts, and then we know where those 2x4s are, and then we drill through those things. So we measured, I don't care. Like, this thing is all the way up. Like, we measured, like, I know exactly where it's at. So we drilled it first with a drill and then put in the lag bolts, make sure it's all level and it's flat. That's why we're using a laser right here. And my dad is using scale, or not scale, what's it called? Well, to check how flat it is, to make sure it's flat. Yeah. I'm gonna do the same thing here. As you can tell right here, and then we're gonna find every single one of those studs, and then if it's not matching, drilling and just putting those big studs right there. Lag bolts, not studs, sorry. Like, we did the same thing because, like, this ones are tall cabinets and they're very heavy. Like, that's not heavy, but that one in the middle is very heavy, right? So you have like so much weight on one rail. So I'm like, I'm not gonna chance it, I don't know. So drill, make sure they're all in 2x4s, and I don't care. This is gonna last. Like, I have 100% confidence in those things. And I didn't even see, when I was looking at it, I didn't even see what bolts IKEA suggests, like what size of the bolts IKEA suggests you use, but whatever. I just went to we just went to the Home Depot. And if you want to know, it is bolt size. Just give me 1 second. It is 29.65, and this is the lag bolt right here.
Last time I showed you measured.
So when I put those, like, I'm 100% confident that this lag bolt is gonna hold any weight. And then I'm gonna put a countertop. It's just heavy also, so this way I'm 100% sure it's on every 16th ish. It's old house, it's like a 100-year-old house, so it's not like exact on it in the 16, but it's approximately there. So like every single one of them, make sure it has one. And now I have a 270 pounds, so, and I have zero worries. I can sit on that and lay on that thing, zero worries.
That's a 16. See, that's a 16.
Yeah, but over here it's not. Well, it is what it is, but just wanted to give a quick video and show you exactly what we did, and zero worries. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.